Lúc sợ luôn nè, lúc hẹn nè. Rau đồ của cho nhỏ, cho băng, cho xong cho đông. Ok, lù lờ đó. Hey, it's hailing. It's hailing. Come here. It's hailing, guys. Whoa! Whoa! Big one! Oh man, the car. The car. It's not safe for the car, Kenny.
This is dangerous already.
Hey, pick it up. This is big, man. It says safe for the car, Kenny. Go look at the car. See what happened. I think we need to put it in.
Whoa, Jonah, don't do that.
This is dangerous. Even at this big, it's still dangerous. These are chunks of ice.
Andrew, run out there. See what happened, Andrew.
No!
Kenny, run out.
Ow, that hurts.
Oh, hold on. Let me see.
You need to It hurts, only a little bit.
Oh shit! Oh.
I'm glad I'm not out there.
Okay, now it's just rain.
Yeah.
That's good.
No!
Oh no.
Count it, it's just rain. It's okay now.
Big ones. I picked that one up. Come on.
I know, these are big.
Shit.
Do you think do you think
my
all
God.
this happened?
Right there.
Hey, Dad, do you think this all happened within 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Like 30 minutes?
Hey, look how it is like inside.
Yeah,
It's
no,
It's all
icy.
solid.
it's ice solid on the inside.
Dude, I feel bad for all the people that live on
It's probably
Camp
snow up.
Nelson Road.
It's all snow up there.
This
That's the
is
size of a thumb, and when it came in, it was bigger than thumb.
Yeah.
I feel bad for the people up in
Ooh.
Oh. Alright, there you go.
Hey, there's some in here that are really big. Pick it up. Pick that one up, Ajong. Those two. Those three right there.
You can't see anything.
Right there. Those three.
Oh, the hail?
Mm-hmm.
Dad, I don't like getting wet.
Let me see. Oh, hold on.
Wow.
Take picture.
Not kidding.
Can you see?
No. Oh, yeah, I can see now. That's the focus on it. Oh,
Pretty big.
Kenny.
Wow, it's coming.
It's pretty good.
Stop, crazy.
You're eating it? Dad, it hit the floor.
It's ice, but it.
I know what it is.
Okay, go sleep, Andrew. You see, there's still some ice inside there. Some ice. Cool. Kind of stopped a little bit.